What up, everybody? MotoFox back here. Working on the Atoto again, inside of the Tacoma. Today, I'm putting in a Atoto AD3 wireless CarPlay adapter, which, once I bought the Atoto head unit, I registered it and signed up for their beta program. And for the beta program, well, I bought this from Amazon, and then they want me to do a review, which honestly I was going to do anyways, but they want me to do kind of a review or install or whatever, and then they'll refund me for the cost of this. The reason that I went with the Atoto F7 originally is because it does AirPlay natively on there. You don't need an additional adapter, which a lot of the other either Atoto, their S series, or any other brands. I can't really say too much. I'm not huge into car stereos now. I used to be, but a lot of them need an additional adapter to connect even wired CarPlay. This one, you can do wired CarPlay with what's in the head unit, and also it had steering wheel controls. So when Atoto offered me the wireless adapter, I was like, well, fuck yeah, I'll do that, you know. So it comes with the Atoto adapter, which it feels like whoever did the molding on it did a good job. It's super light, so there's probably only a couple of chips in there. It is USB-C, so I mean that shows that it's been recently developed, at least I would think. And then your little support manual for the model Alpha Delta 3 Whiskey Charlie Papa. It does say something in here. Oh, that's just the warranty shit. Who cares? But it says on there, when I was reading over some of the instructions, it shows to plug it into the front of the head unit, but I'm just thinking that they're saying, plug it into the USB. There's no way that I'm going to have this thing dangling off of the dash, so we're going to try my way first here off of the back. So I ran the wire so it goes down here, use like a coat hanger to kind of fish it down here, goes under and into there, so I could connect wired. So wireless should be pretty easy. Just grab this. I got an extension, so we got that there. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Actually, I'm just gonna set this down for a moment. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so we got this here. You should just have to plug this into here. And we should get some flashy doos on the front of the unit. Or absolutely nothing. Oh, there we go. A red light. And we got something coming up on the screen here. And it's got a flashy blue light. Here, we'll put this up here. Sorry, the sun's killing it right there. We should get some flashy doos for a couple minutes. And then it said after we get flashy dashies for a little while, then we should just be able to go on my phone, make sure you got Wi-Fi and cellular on, go into your settings, go into Bluetooth, And oh, there's my OBD2 diagnostic. Oh, 83. There it is. Now we'll see if it'll connect. It's thinking about it. Sorry about the glare there. Maybe I'll go over to this side for a second. Pairing unsuccessful. Make sure you're in the range. Alright, so guess what didn't work yet? Let's try it one more time. Oh, it shows connected now. So use AirPlay. Oh, boom. And it shows it's connected. We got my AirPlay up on the screen. And instead of a red flashy light and a blue flashy light, we got a green flashy light. So now, just go ahead and tuck this down in here. Make sure that fits like a glove. And voila. I would think everything's working. We'll pull up the news and see what we get on the news. Well, there you go. Everything's working and no longer connected with a cord, so life is good. Well, it was fun. If you have any questions, let me know, guys. Have a good one.